It's a new week, new vlog. I have today off from placement and I'm doing laundry, cleaning my room, and then getting stuck into some uni. I don't know what's for lunch, but we'll see where the day goes. I'm really keen to wash my sheets and have just wash my hair tonight, moisturize, shave, do all of that. And then I'm FaceTiming Melody, who I haven't spoken to in so long, tonight at 7:30, which will be very fun. Going out for lunch, a big Uniqlo tee, my Aritzia sweatshorts, New Balances, and these are Country Road socks. I just had a genius idea. We just got back from lunch and I was in my closet, and I'll show you what's going on. There, how there's so many, that's my hoodie. I have a blanket that I use for winter, and then my robe. They're just up there and I don't have storage for them. I'm thinking that I'll go to IKEA and buy pillowcases, and then I can put the things in the pillowcases and then use them as cute pillows on my bed, and then I don't need to buy pillows. It's Marco's little bed thing, and that's an IKEA pillow. That's huge. I think that'll definitely fit my hoodie, and then buy another one for my blanket. And then I'll have everything stored and it'll be it'll double as a decorative pillow. I just finished up on the tread. I changed the settings a bit. I did a low incline and a faster speed, and I did no hands the whole time, and I am so sweaty. I stepped off the treadmill and I was I'm gonna pass out. And throughout the whole thing I was maybe I'm gonna vom. I also kept checking the time, and it was 1 minute has passed. I'm what the, but I made it. I survived, and it was a good workout. Just finished my call with Melody. It was lovely catching up. Before that I glazed a bowl and a big tall cup, and I only have one more bowl and one more big tall cup and 3 little candle holders, and then I'm finished, and then I'll get to ship it off to the pottery store. But I'm just in bed watching YouTube and I am so tired. I could fall asleep soon. It's only 9 o'clock. Also, I can confirm my freshly washed sheets, my washed hair, shaved legs and body, and my freshly washed pajamas. Feels so good. I just got off the phone with Jackson on his way home from work, and while I was on call, I glazed this little cup. It's just in white, so you can't really tell. This, cute, and I did these last night. Blue and blue. Very cute. And those were my last big pieces. I'll show you what I have left. These 3 tiny things is all I have left to glaze. How good. I'll show you the other things that I have. This lighting is atrocious, but I have mugs, bowls, and big cups, and then this little iPhone stand and 2 plates. I just filmed this clip, but the camera was facing the wrong way, so love that for me. I was saying that I got home from placement at 2:45 today. I got to go home a bit early, which was fun. And I'm on my way to Jackson's, but he doesn't get home till 6, so I'm gonna go to IKEA and get those pillowcases. I'll show you guys what pillowcases I end up getting. What a glorious little sunset. It's no, they and I are doing what we do best. Nothing.
It like balance off
Would it?
though?
Yeah. Would it?
No, because you have this length.
Oh, okay.
And also,
I'm not gonna try to understand. Morning. It's Thursday. It's the Todd's moving day, so I'm heading over and helping out with the move. I have my bike shorts on and a singlet, and I think I want to put on my overalls, but I don't know. I think the pockets will be really helpful. We'll see. I think I'll wear this there, and then I'll see if I want to take it off. But the reason I'm wearing bike shorts is because this is so low and like so loose that you could probably see my undies, so the bike shorts are on. Jackson. Love it. The movie.
really? My fit. Just a little yeah. Country road tank top on.
Yep.
A country road boucle cardigan.
Yep.
My Zara mum jeans, my Birkenstocks, and my
Where'd you get the moon boot from?
from Performance Podiatry. Shout
Oh.
out Ken Sweeting. Okay, so this is my outfit for today. I have on my New Balances, my
Nice.
Star Runner socks,
Cool.
my Levi's overalls, a
Very
tank top
nice.
from Dish, but I was too cold, so I then had to put Jackson's hoodie on. This is the only one not packed, so this is from Andy Leon Dior. And your hair tie. And my hair tie is from Priceline.
Nice. How's the move going, Jackson? How's the truck management going?
Very good. Tetris level pro.
Toby, what have you been up to?
Just Tetris level pro.
As well, interesting. Annika's on vacuuming. We're getting morning tea. We literally are wearing the exact same thing.
My lips chapped and then I put red lip balm on, so I look like I look like a child, honestly.
Welcome to my life.
Yeah, so I look like I got eczema.
Have you ever been cocky before? Look at my Tetris.
Beautiful. Whoa!
Yeah, yours was way better.
Ashley's fit check. This is my fit check. A ground crew jumper, New Balances, overalls. But I really just want to show that this is what I'm wearing today. I don't know, I'm so tired.
It's terrifying. You always let me know. You always let me go my way.
Got the matching outfits and matching drinks.
You never let it show my.
So empty. It's so empty. finished packing up the house. There was an inspection at 4:30, so we all left so that they could do it. Jackson and I are heading to Lachlan and Lily's for like showers, and then we'll probably have dinner there. I think everyone wants to go to the Hyperdome for one last time. But yeah, that's the plan from here. It was a very tiring day. Jackson did all the Tetris stacking. He did really well. He's rewarding himself with beers right now. But yeah, we're on our way to Lachlan and Lily's. I'm on scout duty while they get the piano out. Look at him, he's huge.
What's still lying inside your mind, my dear?
I'm home. My routine is in. I got home from Jackson's around 10. And it took me like 30 minutes to get home. There was so much like roadworks that it took such a long time. I have a lisp right now and I'm not bothered to take my routine out. But I'm so tired. I have placement tomorrow starting at 7:30, so a bit of a sleep in. I get to wake up at 6:30 instead of 6. But I'm so tired, I'm gonna head straight to bed. Oh, we went to watch See How They Run. Okay, my lisp is very prominent, just ignore it. But we went to watch See How They Run and it was so good. I loved it. It was like a murder mystery whodunit kind of movie. Highly recommend.
Of getting over you. You always let me know. You always let me go, my.
It's Saturday morning. I just spent the night / afternoon last night. What am I saying? I spent yesterday afternoon and last night we unpacked all the cardboard boxes at the Todd's new house. And I am exhausted. So they unpacked all the trucks and then we unpacked all the boxes. So like their stuff is all unpacked, but it's just like everywhere. It needs organizing. I think today Jackson wants to go to IKEA and get like a new chest of drawers and what else? Like a little shelf for all his books and stuff. So I think that's on the plan. That's on the agenda today. But I've just woken up. I slept in, washed my hair, did like my eczema care routine, and I need to buff my nails because I picked off all my gel and I'm just gonna use this. But yeah, that's what's been going on. I am exhausted though. Like, I didn't think that I'd be this wrecked, but I am. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Goodbye. The energy is low.
You always let me know. You never let it show, my.
This is the new bookshelf. It's going in. Oh, I missed it. Yeah. It's 11 o'clock. And the building is. I'm so tired. Morning. It's Sunday today. I didn't vlog much yesterday because we were so busy building all the shelves, but Jackson's uncle, auntie and cousin from Sydney came over to their new house for dinner last night and it was so much fun hanging out with them. But they left around like 9:30 and then we ended up finishing this shelf around 11:30 and I was exhausted. The I think I got a time lapse of like the last 2 drawers, and literally Jackson and I like didn't talk the whole time. We were just like, we know exactly what to do. We're just in like focus mode. But yeah, yesterday was a big day, just like going to IKEA and building stuff. And we're not finished, but I told Jackson that I don't really want to go there today. Just want to be home. He's on his way over, and we're gonna go to church and just do our normal Sunday routine. Church, eat lunch, and then I go to work. So I have work in the afternoon.